Alright guys, so as you know, right now in Fort Worth, it is January 1st, New Year's. Happy New Year's everybody. But we're getting a cold front in, and it's supposed to be in temperatures of no higher than 30, 40 degrees for like a whole week. So we're just now getting our cold front. It's been hot all since Christmas, New Year's, everything until right now. Right now it's 27 degrees. So right now, oh shit. Woo-hoo. What the hell? It's 27 degrees, guys. It's cold as hell. My hands are freezing. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at A&M Customs. stopping by because I wasn't able to make it to their event, which was January 1st, Saturday. They had a big hop. I seen all the pictures, videos. It was really big out here, but honestly, physically, I didn't feel good, so I didn't know what really was going on. So I didn't show up. I stayed home. But like I said, they had a good event. But guys, with all this COVID stuff, I'm gonna need you guys to take your vitamins, be healthy. I mean, I'm necessarily trying to force you to take the shot because people with the shots are getting sick still at this point too. So try to take your vitamins, try to be a little bit more healthy. But don't be like me. Take it from my mistake. Don't be like me. Learn from me. Do not take your vitamins on an empty stomach. I did that shit this morning, and bro, I was on the toilet for at least 4 to 5 hours, taking poops and throwing up at the same time. That stuff I wouldn't wish on nobody, not even my enemies, bro. Like, that stuff was fucking crazy. I never want to feel that again. Honestly, hell, I might even be even taking vitamin pills no more. I'm gonna go back to the damn gummies. I don't give a fuck. Like, fuck that. That stuff, that did not feel right. But yeah, up here, A&M Customs, they are the same people that's gonna paint my paint step slow. And honestly, one of the big reasons I'm in the car scene today is one of the reasons I bought a lowrider, which was built by them originally for his brother back when they first started. One of the reasons I got a lowrider back in high school, I mean, the reason I'm still in the car scene as deeply as I'm in it now is like, as a kid, I grew up around them, going to lowrider shows with my dad and them, so kind of ventured off, then picked it back up back in high school. So I'm glad I did. I'm glad he pushed me to stay in the scene. And now, look at me now. I'm able to support him, spend money with him, have him doing badass bills for us. And I was able to help him by bringing custos to him, starting his Google page for him and stuff like that. So this is mutual, you know. He helped me a lot, honestly, to where I'm at now. And now I'm able to turn that back around and help him out and spend money with him and do business with him. But yeah, now check out his 63. He got it sitting out here. That motherfucker look good as hell. That Rupert with them gold flakes in that motherfucker. That bitch hitting. Knockoffs on point. Something light. But that's something hitting right there. I ain't gonna lie to you. Also, guys, any of you guys plan on getting your truck, car painted, bikes, anything painted this year and don't know who to go to? Well, I'm gonna solve all your problems right now. You come hit up Aurelio at A&M Customs, 3409 South Grove Street. Tell them HIGHLYFE sent you. He gonna bless you with a price, and you're gonna have a badass paint job. So hit them up. Don't go looking for nobody else. Tell them HIGHLYFE sent you, and come see you. We're gonna check out some of the cars they got around here. As you can see, they got the hop ruler from Saturday when they did the hop. And they got Stepslow's new parts for the front end right here. We gotta discuss what we're gonna do, what all I need to buy and stuff so we get that started. I got frame days. Anybody want custom frames for your lowriders? They mold them, wrap them, paint them, all that shit. What y'all think? That'd be a badass look, right? We do a dually wheel all the way around this motherfucker. That looks sick. Guys, check out this frame they've been working on. This bitch is bad. Honestly, guys, if I do build another show truck, I'm really gonna go all out on it. I'm gonna pay attention to details, more of like as a taking a lowrider approach of how I build it. Cause look at this. Frame off, everything on the suspension touch. Chromed out. Brake calipers, the whole rear end, control arms, trailing arms, All of that done, chromed out. Cylinders for the shocks and everything. Painted the whole frame, painted. They reinforced, molded it, and painted it. Springs match the frame. Brake collars on the front match the frame. But everything else look chromed out. Nuts, bolts, everything chromed out. Honestly, if I can't build something to this type of caliber, I'm not gonna build it as far as for a show build. If it's not this type of caliber, honestly, I wouldn't even want to do it. Now, for my turbo truck, that's more of a just racing, so I really don't care as far, like, don't get me wrong, I want it to look good, but I'm not in a, let me see, I wouldn't be in a big push to do something like this. And they got the Torres Empire hopper in here. I guess from over the past weekend. Big ass trailing arms. So that bitch can back bumper. We're doing 100 and something. Then you got Aurelio's hopper, which he don't look like he don't tore that bitch apart. He's out there. I seen videos of him out there walking the hell out there with this damn El Camino. Hell, I was looking right now. This nigga barely got a goddamn tailgate. Look at this shit. What tailgate, sir? He done bent that motherfucker. All part of the game of hopping. So you youngins and trying to get in the hop scene, this is what you better be prepared for if you want your car back bumpering like crazy and also hitting over 100-some inches. Especially if you got an Elco. So we got the clean ass interior, little switches and shit. Bitch is clean. Clean as fuck. The lowrider I bought in high school was originally built for the owner of this car, which is Aurelio's brother. This is his current car, and they're gonna build, because I ended up selling my lowrider back to them, so they're gonna build that car for, I think, his son. So this is his Cutlass now. And they finally got the motor in on this one. Candy ready to go. Damn, they took that bitch all the way apart. This bitch was just on the floor, like, well, it was on full suspension on wheels and everything like a couple weeks ago. That must be going all out on that one. This one's been here for a good minute. They do paint motors also. Yeah, this car been here. I remember this one being LS out there. It was on the other side in the other group, but I don't know where it's been at so far. And I got the Lincoln and that Impala right there. This caddy clean too. I don't know if it's one of theirs or Custos. Got the big white walls on that bitch. What the hell I'm talking about? Them hoes little as hell. So guys, we got this 1962 Impala sitting right here. If you guys are interested in buying this, you guys contact me on Instagram. It comes with missing fenders, hood, body. All you get is a steering wheel, the front little piece of it, and the engine and some wheels. As long as you have a rolling suspension, you'll be able to drive off in the car. So yeah, let me know. Also, check out that badass drop Cutlass over there. Yeah, if I had the money to build it, like I actually had the money to build one of those, I'd probably buy it from him. I think it is for sale. But yeah, I ain't got no money for that. I'm broke as hell. I'm barely able to build a turbo truck. So yeah, let me get my ass away from that damn car. I just noticed, guys, that side over there is the ladder for the chippers, for the guys that barely get off the ground. And then for your guys that be in the hundreds, then you got this part of the ladder. And then you got your mid chippers. But yeah, it's a badass. Oh, I think that's a donkey. It must be Donkey's ladder. Probably so. I think he's the only one that will get this welded onto his ladder. But yeah, chippers, big time, guys. Chippers, big time, guys. What you guys think? Think it's time to build another lowrider? And if so, if you do think it's time to build another lowrider, what kind? Do you think it's build another G-body? Because like I said, I had a Cutlass, like the blue car over there. But then they also got Regals, you got Elcos, they got Monte Carlos, which they don't have a Monte Carlo outside, they don't have one in here. But then you also got Impalas. This one I think is going to be Impala. And you have this Impala, that Impala, and then that Impala right there. So, and you also got Caddies, the Fleetwoods, that one, the one before that one, the two-door. Which one would you guys see me in? Because like I said, I already had a Cutlass, so I wouldn't mind building another Cutlass, but I also wouldn't mind building something else too. So comment down below what car you think, and then you never know, 2022 we might be building a lowrider. Ooh, that power steering. Gotta get that power steering fixed. Yeah, right there. Man, I was telling him earlier, you ain't even got no tailgate no more. That motherfucker done bent and folded over there. Oh shit, you got an LED in there?
Yeah. I had replaced everything.
Now you gotta do something. What does you need to replace for that?
For what?
For it to turning so hard like that.
Oh, I gotta put it. It don't have part steering.
Oh shit, damn, you know, right? So you have fun for the weekend, put it up.
Yeah. Broke the distributor cab, fucking yeah.
On this one?
On the street hop. Go through gas hopping.
Said broke the distributor cap off the lever.
You gotta leave your legs back here too, but when you turn.
Sheesh. Did y'all do all this?
Shit, we actually did all that shit last year. Before we actually...
It was at the show like this too, wasn't it?
Yeah. I just think that's... That's it right there,
Oh shit, let me see that. Was that so too? Attention to detail.
Always.
Yeah. This bitch going.
Bang this one up.
Banged it out. Shit, that bitch buckled out.
Mm.